Processes show you the steps, but if you ignore your purpose and values, you risk building something efficient but empty. One of the hardest lessons in business? Knowing that a strategy works brilliant for someone else, but might not move you forward at all. Understanding processes can help, but if you squash your purpose and values with this copy-paste, even the smartest blueprint will lead you off track. I hear it often. Founders follow strategies that promise these quick results. The processes look neat, the steps are clear, but instead they sort of end up feeling a bit drained or disconnected. Don't get me wrong. We have to learn, especially from others that have been successful before us. So it doesn't mean strategy blueprints aren't valuable. They are. But they're not the total answer to making that difference. They're simply, I suppose, the how, the way to execute. And the danger comes from process when it takes over our purpose, and that simply disappears. Processes are useful. They give structure, they give rhythm, and they give accountability, but they're not the driver. So how do we know what to do? Well, your business is unique. Your story, your stage of growth, your purpose and your values. These are the North Star, and processes serve that North Star to be delivered. Think about it like renovating a house. The processes are paint the walls, knock down a wall, put the bathroom in, make it bigger. It's a solid blueprint you can download. But if you don't stop to ask yourself, what's the renovation for? We can start to run into problems. Is it to improve our living or to sell for a large amount more than what we bought it? It's got a story to tell. And if you don't know it, you'll risk creating the thing that doesn't serve what you're going out to do. And let's be honest, if you're trying to sell the house for a great profit, that extra room you built for the giant life-size moose head you bought on honeymoon is great if you're trying to create this memory forever home, but not so great if you're trying to sell it now. And your business is the same. Processes show you the steps, but if you ignore your purpose and values, you risk building something efficient but empty. A house that looks finished but doesn't feel like yours. So here's the shift. Don't ask yourself first, what processes should I follow? Should I follow this blueprint? Instead, ask yourself, what does my business need right now to create the unique differences I'm trying to make? Your uniqueness, your purpose and values. This could be the starting point to answering that question. How connected are you? How are you taking your decisions? How connected are your team? And then the blueprint can follow. It can guide you much more effectively. And when the two work together, you create a strategy that fits and lasts and actually feels like yours. The right strategy isn't about copying somebody else's blueprint. It's about shaping the process around your purpose so growth feels sustainable and true to you. So subscribe for clarity-led tips and take the free founder alignment quiz to discover where your strategy needs to realign today. The link is below.